drowning in league pass options and wondering which one will let you witness all the buzzer beaters without breaking the bank. Today, we're breaking down NBA League Pass Premium versus Regular, so you can make the ultimate slam dunk decision for your basketball streaming needs. First up, let's talk features with Premium. You're unlocking simultaneous streams on multiple devices. Think watching one game on your TV while keeping an eye on another on your tablet. Regular League Pass limits you to one stream at a time. Now, for the dreaded board blackouts, both Premium and Regular are subject to local blackout restrictions, meaning you can't watch your local team's games live. This is crucial, so check your local team's schedule before subscribing. Streaming quality. Both tiers offer HD quality, but Premium users often report a smoother, less buffered experience, especially during peak viewing times, though this depends heavily on your internet speed. The biggest difference boils down to user experience and how you plan to watch. If you're a die-hard fan who wants to keep tabs on multiple games, or if you share your account with family, Premium is the way to go. If you're a casual viewer or primarily watch games solo, Regular League Pass might be sufficient. Ultimately, the best value depends on your viewing habits and budget. Consider how often you'll use the multi-screen feature, weigh that against the price difference, and choose the option that lets you enjoy the most basketball for your buck. Score.